Hey everyone, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm really excited because today I have my very first Dia & Company box. Yeah, I'm a little bit nervous about this because I am super picky and I'm not sure how their sizing is. I went ahead and put my size down as a 26 because I don't know if things are going to be small or not. So I guess we'll find out. I really don't have any idea what's in here. I did open it up and take the tissue off. So I saw a couple different fabrics, but I don't know what's what yet, although I do think there's a pair of jeans in there. So yeah, we're just going to jump right into it. Alright, so this feels kind of like a denim. I don't know what this is. Okay. Okay. I think this is a capri. It's kind of weird. The waistband almost looks like an athletic waistband, but this is clearly like a stretch denim. These legs are cut kind of funky. They're definitely, I think, supposed to be skinny, but they're really wide cut in the thigh. That might be a problem. But the waist seems small too. Like they feel like they're, I don't know. My first impression is that they're going to be too big cut in the thigh and too small on the calf. Not really digging this, but I'll give it a try. Yeah, there's a pair of jeans. These are by Molly and Isadora, which I think is one of their brands. Just have the little logo on the pocket there. Really stretchy. I think these will fit. I like the color. They might be a little bit long. They do look a little bit long. I don't know. Lord knows I don't need any jeans, but these look pretty good. So we'll give them a try. No. This is like a stretchy rayon blouse. It's, the sleeves are really short. It's not like a dolman, but it's straight cut. Kind of like a high-low, but it's got one of those split backs. I hate this. I absolutely hate split backs on anything. I think it draws too much attention to the back. I don't like it. I don't like the pocket. I don't like the fabric. I hope it looks good on, but honestly, I don't like anything about this shirt. My cousin's laughing at me. No, this is fugly. Okay. It might fit. I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully it looks better on. Okay. Very long dress. Back up. Very, very, very long dress. I actually think it's going to be way too long for me. It's very heavy, but okay, I'm confused because they clearly lined the entire bottom of this dress, but the top is sheer and see-through. There's nothing under here to cover you up. You're going to have to wear a tank top underneath of this. I don't know if that's even going to look good because look how big the arms are. I don't like the print on this either. Let's see the front. It's like a tulip bottom in the front, which is okay. I don't get this. I don't. This is really disappointing. It's by Delancey Studio. It's a 4X. Why would you bother to line the whole bottom with a heavy polyester and then leave the top completely sheer? Like you don't want to see my underwear, but you want to see my bra? No, I don't like that either. Okay, I guess this is the last thing. I can already tell you the fabric is hideous. This looks like some granny fabric. It's really heavy. It's good quality, but this print is absolutely disgusting. And it's got this horrible knot, gigantic knot thing back here. And the back is, I don't like this. No. I hope this is cuter on. Sometimes fabrics like this or prints like this actually look cuter on than they do like looking at them. But looking at this, even if it was cute, I don't think I would wear it because this knot back here is heavy and it's ugly. And I'll try it on, but I don't think I'm going to like this either. So far, the only thing in this box I like is the jeans, and I don't know if they'll fit. And even if they do fit, I don't need jeans. So I don't know what they were thinking when they put this box together. because I'm pretty darn sure I marked that I liked trendy stuff, and I don't see anything in here that's really trendy. Everything in here looks old. Rachel, welcome to the Dia & Company family. We're really excited to start this journey, blah, 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 blah. I pulled these Molly and Isadora jeans for you to pair with the Prescott New York top. I'm guessing that that's going to be the blue one. The Lissé bottoms will be Divine with the Molly and Isadora top, which I think is that ugly flowered pom-pom looking thing. These both are amazing for casual outings and flats or special occasions. No. Lastly, the Delancey Studio dress has your favorite color and is singing Summertime. There's no yellow in that dress. I put yellow down as my favorite color. There's no yellow. There's red, pink, orange. This piece is perfect for any occasion this summer. Blah, blah, blah. Don't forget to send us feedback. We want to know what you like, what you don't. Okay, well, so far I think this is a huge fail. I don't really care for anything, but I'm going to go ahead and try it on. You never know. Sometimes things will look better on than they do in the box. So, yeah, let's go ahead and try everything on. Okay, so this is the dress, which I don't hate it on. Like, I don't hate it. This is a 4X. I do think it's too big. It's clearly too long for me. If I step back, I step on it. So this is definitely going back. I'm also not crazy about the fact that the underdress is pretty short. I mean, I'm okay with it, but I don't love it. The armholes aren't as big as I thought. They actually fit okay, but you do have to have a tank top under this. Absolutely cannot wear it without a tank top. I don't know what they were thinking. This needs to be lined. So that was a huge, huge fail on this manufacturer's behalf. Other than that, if the length was better and it was a little bit smaller cut, I think I would keep it. But again, I ordered a 26 and I might need to change my sizing down to a 24. We'll see. But it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's better than I had hoped, but still, I don't think something I would buy for myself. I usually avoid anything super long because I am only 5'3". Unless it's petite, most things are not cut for me. Okay guys, outfit 2, I have to admit, doesn't look as bad as I expected, but it feels very uncomfortable. These bottoms, these capris here, are way too tight in the leg, and they feel very funny in this area. They're not cut right. They're just, it's a very poor cut. They look okay once they're on, but they're very uncomfortable. The top is equally as uncomfortable. Now granted, I hate the print. The print is hideous. I don't know who in their right mind picked this out, but the fit itself is bad. The knot in the back is so heavy that it's pulling the shirt down. So the front of the shirt won't stay down. It keeps riding up. It looks okay in the back, but again, it's very uncomfortable. If I were to sit down with this knot, it's going to bug me all day. It doesn't look bad, but I would never in a million years wear anything like this, ever. And this print needs to go back to hell where it came from, because this looks like some 1960s psychedelic Brady Bunch wallpaper that I am not feeling. Final outfit, I have to admit, I don't hate it. I don't love it, but it does kind of look good together, better than I expected. The back of this top actually fits better than I thought it would. I don't hate it, but this shirt has one thing wrong with it that I hate about all straight cut shirts. Big through here, it draws a lot of attention to that area. It does not flatter my figure at all. The print and cut itself actually looks pretty good on. So if it weren't so clingy right here, I might actually keep this. Now the jeans are really comfortable. They're really nice, but they are way too long. They are bunching up at the bottom. I could cuff them, but I have like 20 pairs of cuff jeans. I don't need more. The fabric is very stretchy, very comfortable. They're actually a little bit too big. I've got a lot of room in this waistband. So I think what I'm taking from that is, I'm not sure if I need to size down or not, really, because this top is a 4X. The other top was a 4X, and the dress is a 4X. And they all fit okay. The 26 or 4X black bottoms were too small. And these 26s are too big. So I'm really not sure what to do about the sizing. I don't know. I mean, if I were to size down, I don't think any of the shirts would fit. But if I keep to this size, I don't think any of the bottoms are going to fit right either. So I'm really torn. But I think, unfortunately, this outfit is a no as well. If this top fit a little bit better and it was a little bit more flowy, and if these jeans fit a little bit better, I would probably keep it. But the fit isn't right. Yeah, those are the 4 outfits. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go over the prices and final thoughts. Okay, so Delancey Studio dress. $75. No. That dress is not worth $75. It isn't. It's okay, but even quality wise, it's not fully lined like it should be. The fabric is okay. It's nothing special. Definitely not worth $75 and definitely going back. Prescott, New York, Bridget zipper pocket tee, which is this. Price $49. No, I wouldn't pay $49 for this either. Even though they would credit my $20 style credit, eventually, I mean, ultimately I'd end up paying full price, and there's no way I would pay $49 for this top. Let's see. Molly and Isadora, Bryn Lee, short sleeve knotted back tee. $49. I think someone over there is smoking something, because that shirt looks like it came from Walmart and it's worth about 10 to 12 bucks. Definitely not a $49 shirt. Definitely not keeping it. Molly and Isadora Leroy skinny jean, $65. Yeah, that's on par. I pay about $65 for Torrid, and I would say quality wise it seems on par with Torrid or anywhere else. So if they fit, I might be inclined to get those. And Lycée for Dia, whatever. Milan denim legging capri, $59. No. $59 is a lot to pay for that. That type of fabric that is made from, that stretchy like faux denim, especially when it is dyed black, fades incredibly quickly. I have had numerous pairs of pants in that material. They all fade. It's a very cheap material. I mean, the fit is horrible. Construction, I do like the waistband they put in it, but I would never ever pay $60 for a pair of pants like that, ever. Maybe $30, but that's way overpriced. So total, it would be $297 for everything retail price. Minus my styling fee, which would be 20 bucks, and then I would get 25% off if I kept everything, which would bring my total to $202.75. With the discount, if I were to keep everything, I would say that that's a fair price, but unfortunately, I don't like any of this. Everything is gonna go back. There's nothing in this box that I love. There's nothing in this box that has me written all over it. I am not happy with the fit of any of the items. That being said, this is my first box, and I have heard people say that it's taken a couple of months for them to get a box that they like. That's why we're supposed to give feedback and let them know what we do and don't like and why. So I am going to give them another month, maybe to see if they can get it a little bit better, closer to my style. A couple like this, I would wear this. I mean, I didn't like it out of the box, but if it had fit, I would have liked this top. It does look better on than I thought it would. But I don't know what they were thinking with these prints. They're horrible. They look like they stepped out of an episode of the Golden Girls. I just can't. I mean, if they were cute retro clothes, I'd be like, okay. But these are supposed to be like modern, current styles in there. That red dress kind of looks like an old couch or something. I can't. Okay. So anyway, that's my experience with my first Dia box. Unfortunately, I feel like it's a big fail, but I am going to give them another try, and hopefully, maybe they'll be able to better pinpoint my style next time. So there you go. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.